What's up, guys? Starting today's video. I know the lighting kind of sucks and I'm using a different camera. This is my vlogging camera, so you can see it like kind of gimbally-ish or whatever. But I got some car content today. I'm super hyped because I've been waiting for these coilovers for a while now. I just kept pushing it back on getting them because it's either I'm broke or I'm trying to save for something else. But I finally hopped on it. It was on sale on Heel-Toe. I want to give a shout out to Michael, the CEO of Hanura Crew. They have a 10% discount code if you join their group and you rep their stickers and some other stuff. That's still being updated as of right now. So you could join the crew, but to be pretty much a full member, you have to buy a sticker, throw it on your car, represent, and they're gonna keep track of the people that buys a sticker. Then they're gonna slowly kick people out that didn't purchase a sticker for their crew. It kind of sucks. We're gonna lose some members, but at the same time, it truly shows of the people that's gonna be, you know, all in with Hanura Crew instead of just all these people that's just joining in just for, you know, the discount codes and stuff like that. So I already told my group, if you guys didn't know, I'm a president for Iowa for Hanura Crew. I already told them they're gonna keep receipts. If anything, they'll probably talk back to me, figure things out, see who's a full member and who's not a member, and just go from there to let people use the discounts. But yeah, that's where I got my coilovers from. I went through Heel-Toe. It was on sale. Then on top of that, I had the 10% discount code, and it was a no-brainer for me to hop on it. So let me get the package and we'll do an unboxing. Alright guys, so here is the coilovers that I went with. This Progress Technology competition coilovers, 92 to 2000 Civic and 94 to 01 Integra. Now the spring rates I got is super aggressive. They're meant for track, not meant for the highway. I don't know how they're going to be on the highway. We'll see. I'll give you guys a review, because I will be using this on the street or whenever I drive it, and then on track days also. So I do drive this car a lot, or try to during the summer. It's mostly a weekend warrior or a summer car. But yeah, here's the package. I'm gonna throw it down. I'm not trying to show my address, and let's do an unboxing. I don't know why it came in boxes, but maybe these are the springs. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Coilover key maybe? I'm not sure. Imagine I didn't get like the full set. I would be really pissed if I didn't get the full set. Oh goodness, what is this? Ow! Oh snap, that is sick. That's super sick. So, got me some Progress Technology stuff. Got me a little keychain, some stickers. Wow, not even some stickers, there's a lot of stickers they threw in here. Then, installation instructions right here. I'm probably gonna put this together. I'm probably gonna put this together and just keep it in my room until I can get some OEM top hats. These coilovers do not come with top hats, but they do have custom spring rates. So I'll be running 550 in the front and 650 in the rear, I believe. So let's sit in the box. Alright, here's a big package right here. I don't know what's in there. Oh, sounds like the coilover springs. Alright, we got the struts right here. Am I supposed to open it the other way? Oh my god, these are freezing. Now, we have another box in here. I'll open that big box last. I'm not sure what that is. Sounds like bolts. I'm not sure when I'm going to install this, but I know for a fact once it gets warm, I'll get started on it real quick. Oh yeah, this is all the stuff I need right here. So the bushings, washers for the top hats. Got all 4 right here. We got coilover keys, hardware, which I'm not sure what's for. We got more bushings right here. Leave that there. I kind of tore up this box, so kind of not worth saving that. Throw these in here. Move this out of the way. Now we got the big box, which is the springs, I believe. There we go. We got the springs right here. With the custom spring rates, you know what I'm saying? Wow. Now the thing is, how do we tell which one's which? That's my main question. Which one is which? Here are the struts, bushings right here. These are the coilovers. Super excited, man. Custom spring rates. I heard these are really good. And yeah, these are made in 2020 in July, I believe. Super excited. I'm gonna put these together, then take a pic, then wait until somebody hits me up if they have OEM top hats, and pretty much it'd be ready to go. Then I just need to install into the hatch, throw it back on the ground. I got a new ECU, so I need a new base map. Then I need 1000cc injectors. I'm gonna go E85 this year, and maybe gain a little bit of horsepower from that, and some money. This is gonna be a lot cheaper for me because my tank is super small. But that's the plan for this year. I finally got my coilovers. I just need my camber kits, then pretty much ready to go. In June, I might start doing something with the K24. I'm not sure. It's a lot of money. I'm trying to save, so we'll see on that. The other motor might just be sitting for a while, so I'm gonna just get a new oil pan and throw some oil in it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll probably put a picture at the end of all this together. I'm out. Peace.